Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about how to send mail in Laravel. So here I am going to show you some realistic example. Now I have this form basically, and here I am going to hit this button. Once I hitting the submit button, then let me show you. Yes, we have received this form basically. Okay, so you can check here the title, the mail from the real programmer, and so this is the basically we getting email. And so now how this is working, so I am going to show you. Just check here, we are passing some parameters in URL which is send mail. So now I'm going to show you every step. So from routes I'm going to show you. We have the get parameters, we are passing here send mail, and here we calling the controller which is the home controller, and here we have the mail send. This is a function basically. We have this class basically, and we have this function. So now how this is working, so suppose we have the form. Look here, we have the mail send function. So now inside the mail function we have written some title and body in array format, and this variable will be passing in this particular function. So we have this class basically send mail. So we have created this send mail. Inside of the app folder we have mail folder, and here we have the send mail for class basically. Let me show you something. So here we have some the security purpose I'm not explaining you here everything because I need to put my email ID and password something, so I'm skipping this video. So I will explain you where how this is working basically. Okay, I will also show you in my blog. You can get the code from my blog also. Here we have the send mail. Where is this app mail? This is app. Inside of the app we have the mail, and here we have the send mail. So now we have the send mail. Inside of the send mail we have written one command which is, let me show you here. You can check from my blog how to send mail in Laravel. So here, so every step I have already written here. You can check from my blog. So here we have the PHP artisan make controller and mail send. So I have created different controller here. So now we have like this one. Let me show you something different. Look here. Here we have the created the send mail function basically. We have the send mail, and here with the composing something. Let me show you this code. Here we have the send mail is a class basically, and here we are passing here the details which is this details we are passing from the controller. And okay, so inside of the controller here this class we have the details, and inside this parameters we using this detail in constructor. Okay, so inside of the here, and we are the passing basically this build function. So here how this is working, let me show you. Let me show you here. Look, we have this particular function is here. We passing here mail. You can check from the here we have the send mail, and we are using this one. We have the mail, and we passing some parameters to and send something. So we have this one, and here let me show you. Yes, we are passing here. So once we hitting this particular then we are loading this one, view emails and thanks page. Okay, so here we have already created two files folder basically. We have the resource folder. Inside of the resource folder we have the two file. First is send mail, and second one thanks. So here we have the send mail, this one. So then we are passing everything here, and we have also second file which is thanks for connecting. Why we are loading, basically we are passing some when we hitting the form, this will from this particular functions we are sending details basically. Okay, so now second one we are returning basically form thank you for subscribing. Already explaining about this page. You can check from here this one. So here we have the send, yeah, thanks for connecting us something. We are printing message, and here we have this one, this function basically we are sending the mail, and here we have the class which is send mail, and I already explain you about this send mail. Again I'm going to show you this one. We particular functions we calling this one. Then we have the send mail particular this file inside of the resource folder. We have this one, and we are printing here title because we are passing from the controller, and here we have the title and body, and we are also printing here thank you message. So now here you can check everything step by step. Then we have the send mail something, we have functions. I already explained about these functions. We have the created controller, and I have already controller there, and here we have the file we have created, and we have the function something, this one. And also you need to configure. So for the security purpose I am not showing every my email ID and password something. So you can configure like this one. We have the app folder, sorry, we have the configurations folder. Inside the configurations folder we have the mail.php. inside of the mail.php you can put this code, and we have the already from, so you can just replace it, this one, these two particular lines. Okay, so here I have written here real programmer, so you can replace your code whatever you want. Okay, then we also you don't need to restart because we are already using Laravel 8. Once you started the your server, you don't need to write every times. Okay, also one more thing, so you need to add some configuration inside of the particular this .env file. So here we need, you need to put here smtp and host name and port number and your email id and password. Also you need to type here mail inscription, so you can pass the data. Okay, so hope so this is clear for you. And if you want to this video step by step, so please comment on comment section. I will also create a new video, so I will explain everything in step by step. Thank you for watching this video.